Monkey butter is a tasty treat. Monkey butter is good to eat. Put it on nuts, put it on berries, put it on grapes, put it on cherries, put it on bananas too. You can give it to your friends at the monkey zoo. It's fun to spread, it's fun to eat. It's a lot of monkeys' favorite treat.
Warning, this product can cause flu, pain in hands, cold, coughing, sore throat, sneezing, freezing skin, dizziness, headaches, tummy aches, skin turning yellow, hair loss, growth spurt, passing out, brain fog, grumpiness, sleepiness, swollen tongue, walking headfirst into walls, vomiting, diarrhea, communicating with insects, dry mouth, night sweats, loss of hearing, blindness, paranoia. Eat at your own risk.